Welcome to Ishrav International. Let's see our full farm video. Okay, so let's start. This is all our marine fish aquarium tank. No stock, so that cause here no fish show. So check this side. This is our tank 2 position. Here's some fish. Look, all fishes are sleeping now. Now the time 11 p.m. Yeah. Our total salt water 15,000 liter capacity. Yeah, capacity. Okay, this is some. This is ozonator O3. This is canister for planted aquarium. This is some tank number 1. Those tank number 2 some. Here reef octopus 2 type. This is all planted aquarium. This is light. This one is another canister. This CO2 cylinder. This one is chiller, water bottle. Here betta fish tank, now no stock. Oxygen cylinder, and our all total salt water capacity 15,000 liter. Check.